G'day guys, how's it going? So today we are going to be putting some different tail lights on the VE Holden Commodore. She's 2009, but it's also known as something different because I'm in the States, so it's actually a Pontiac GT. Anyway, so what happened is the tail lights that are in this baby right now, I bought like 4.5 years ago, and they didn't get used for 4.5 years because the car was in the shop. So this one on this side is actually pulling 10 ohms, and the one on the other side is pulling half an ohm. So it keeps bursting the fuses and heating up the wires. She almost caught bloody fire the other day. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the stock tail lights, what they look like, the old tail lights, and then the new ones. These ones we tinted. So I'm basically going to be tinting the new ones, and it's going to have like a matte finish instead of, at the moment you can see that's got a gloss finish because we used a clear coat and then buffed them out. So we'll see what it looks like with the matte, and it may match the rest of the car and look good. But with this, basically the amount of coats dictates how dark it can get, and it can get so dark you can't even see the light, so use it sparingly. But anyway, let's go and compare these tail lights and have a look at the differences. So there's your stock tail light. You know what? Looks bloody epoxy, doesn't it, eh? And here is the new Spyders. Now they're smoked, but you can clearly see the chrome. I just don't like that, that's too much. So let's basically compare the ones that we tinted. Okay, and you can obviously see that has a gloss finish. So we're gonna get some coating on these and replace these ones, because right now this one's not plugged in. Oh, and by the way, I'm the same dude that owns this thing. I'm sure you've seen on the internet a little bit. It's kind of famous, a little bit, maybe. Alrighty, to get to the tail light, just pull the liner down the inside the trunk. There's a couple pop pins, one there. And then you'll see, there she is right there. And there's 3 of these. Alright, just pull these little nuts off, and she'll pull straight out. And there she is. Bloody hell. So there's the old Spyder next to the stocky. So there they are, ready for a quick coat, and gonna just give them a bit of a wipe off with some alcohol to remove any impurities that may mess with the paint. So we'll do that right now. Alrighty, let's lay some of this on. You can see how frosty it looks. So we'll let that coat dry and we'll go to the next one. Let's throw another coat on. You can see they're slowly getting darker. Now I'm going to be real about this tint spray. It is really hard to get an even coat. So you almost have to fan it on. So probably going to have to get these redone, but this will do for now. So basically on your stock headlight, you've got your flasher, your backup light, and then of course your brake light's going to be in there. Now your brake light, you're not going to use the stock light, obviously. You've got the LED one. So basically this little harness right here is where that's going to, instead of the bulb going in there, there's going to be a plug that goes from the car in there, and that's going to be your LED tail light, brake light. So pretty simple. So you basically just take that harness off like this, okay, and then basically this harness is going to go straight into the new tail light. So this is the new tail light, and there's the stock brake light bulb port, and then the plug that goes to the LED. So basically that's just going to plug straight into here. Alright, so she's all plugged up. So that's the flasher, the backup bulb right there, and then that's going to be LED brake light, tail light. So she's all ready to be put back on the car, right in that position. Once the tail light's in place, you just need to plug these plugs in right here, and you're good to go. Is it? There we go. Well, I did it one-handed, good one. So there we go, and there's the light. So, all right, let's get them bolted up. Alrighty, so there's one installed. See, it has like a frosty finish, and there's obviously the other one. But if you look at it, the frosty finish definitely suits the theme better with the matte. I'm really happy with it. Turned out real good. Alright, trunk liner back in. Push the 2 pop pins on both sides. That looks a bit crap, but whatever. All good. And there she are. He's back installed. Much better. Love it. It looks so much better. It's crazy. I didn't even do it for the looks. I did it because of that freaking tail light on that side was bad. Well, there you have it, guys. Install video. Can't speak today. Install video on the Spyder G8 GT taillights, or Holden Commodore VESS, whatever. Anyway, there she does. They look bloody good. Love it. So why don't we finish this video with a startup? Can't get enough of that LS sound. What do you think, eh? So let's bloody listen to it. Anyway, if you liked the video, give it a like and sub if you love the content. I mean, there's going to be heaps more. And make a comment if you have any questions about the tail lights or doing the tint, whatever. But anyway, let's get to the startup.